Is Bharti AXA Life Secure Insta Income Plan truly a reliable source of immediate income or just another savings product dressed up as an insurance? Let us find out the answer to these questions through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. And some of the key features of the policy are you get life insurance coverage designed to safeguard your family's financial future. You get assured benefits to support the fulfillment of your long-term goals, and income payouts can begin immediately upon policy issuance. Additional benefits like loyalty additions and maturity benefits are aimed at enhancing your overall returns. So choice of income variant can also be aligned with your individual requirements. So there is an option to customize aspects like premium payment term, policy term, income payout period, and deferment period based on your personal needs. So you also get tax benefits. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are some benefits like death benefits, survival benefit, and also maturity benefits. So all these benefits will differ based on the income variant option you have opted for in this policy. So some of the advantages are the optional riders can be attached to the base policy to enhance protection, and policyholders may avail a loan of up to 70% of the surrender value. So during the premium payment term, the premium payment frequency can be modified at each policy anniversary. So after completion of the first 5 policy years, the policyholder has the flexibility to reduce the premium by up to 50% of the original annualized premium. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like the sum assured is relatively low, which offers limited life insurance coverage. So periodic in survival benefits may encourage discretionary spending instead of fostering disciplined long-term investment behavior. So yearly income payouts weaken the power of compounding, which can adversely impact overall returns. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now as we have a basic idea about it, let us move on to the analysis part of the video. If you still want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So now, in the analysis part of the video, we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has invested 1 lakh rupees annually for 10 years under variant 1. So the policy term is 30 years with an income payout period of 30 years and a sum assured of 10.5 lakhs. So the benefits received under the plan is income booster, which is a one-time upfront payout of 50,000 rupees in the first policy year, and guaranteed yearly income, which means 24,960 rupees per annum, payable in arrears from the 2nd to the 10th policy year. So guaranteed income and loyalty income also means annual payouts of 12,480 rupees each, payable in arrears from the end of the 11th policy year until the end of the income period. So guaranteed maturity benefit means a lump sum payout of 10 lakhs payable along with the final income installment. So despite these assured benefits, the IRR works out to be only 3.35% as per the policy's maturity calculator over the 30-year period, which is clearly inadequate for a long-term investment horizon. The regular income payouts disrupt the compounding process, thereby suppressing overall returns. In addition, neither the periodic income nor the final maturity amount is sufficient to meaningfully address major life goals. So given the low return profile and limited growth potential, this policy appears to be unsuitable for wealth creation or goal-oriented financial planning. Now that we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to take an alternative approach. Instead of combining insurance and investment like how they do in Bharti policy, we are going to separately invest in both these components to see whether that can generate us higher returns and better returns actually. So here what we are going to do is we are going to use the same or similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So for insurance, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10.5 lakhs at an annual premium of approximately 13,000 rupees for 10 years. So for investment, the remaining surplus will be invested in an equity mutual fund, and systematic withdrawals are going to be structured to replicate the survival benefits provided under the Bharti policy for a fair comparison. At the end of the 10th year investment phase, the balanced units are redeemed and reinvested in a fixed income instrument offering a return of 7% per annum. So, capital gains tax is accounted for only at the final redemption after considering the annual long term capital gains exemption of 1.25 lakhs. So, to closely match the cash flow of the Bharti policy, withdrawals are aligned with the survival benefits while the remaining balance is withdrawn as a lump sum at the end of the 30-year period, similar to the maturity benefit. So now, as you can see that we have also presented a small tabular column on the screen to show you how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund. You can pause and see, this is for your easy reference. So under this alternative approach, the IRR improves significantly to 7.32% compared to just 3.35% offered by the Bharti policy. And additionally, opting out of periodic withdrawals can actually further enhance corpus growth and overall returns. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Bharti AXA Life Secure Insta Income Plan worth it or not? So this policy provides you with regular income through multiple payout options, allowing investors to choose from 4 variants based on their cash flow requirements. While the assurance of guaranteed income may seem to be attractive, particularly as a supplementary income source, the plan does not deliver favorable returns for long-term wealth creation. In addition, the sum assured remains modest, resulting in inadequate life insurance coverage. So although the survival benefits are presented under different labels, the payout amount remains fixed throughout the policy tenure and does not adjust for inflation. A closer evaluation reveals that despite the guaranteed nature of these payouts, the plan generates low yields, making it an unappealing choice for serious long-term investors. So neither the insurance cover nor the income benefits adequately justify the cost, and overall the plan falls short of supporting meaningful financial growth, and it also has a high agent commission. So before embarking on any investment journey, it is crucial to secure sufficient life insurance coverage. A pure term insurance policy provides you substantial protection at a relatively low cost. Alongside this, building a well-diversified investment portfolio can help you achieve financial goals more efficiently while offering greater flexibility. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.